Over the years, in our incredible growth in the industry, we've drawn the ire of some of our competitors. And they're saying some things that, well, just aren't true. One of that being, we don't have a factory, which is funny, because today, we're going to the Skid Pro factory up in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. Join me as we go in today and take a look around. Hey guys. How are you doing today? Well, let's grab our safety glasses and head back to the plant. Here we got some snow pushers and final assembly, palleting and bagging. Here we got some Open X4 cutters, our bread and butter, heading into the paint booth. Hey Mike.
Hey Josh.
How's it going?
Great, yourself?
Good, thanks. Well, what do we got in the press brake today?
Some snow blade parts are going to be bending up.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to take a look and see what the other guys are up to.
Sounds good.
Thank you. Here we got a snow blade mold board, getting the reinforcements welded up. There's an industrial grapple rake top. And here's an IGR bottom. Of course, it wouldn't be a day at Skid Pro if we didn't have a cutter running through. Our flagship attachment, the open front cutter. I tell you, we're not the biggest factory in the entire world, but dang, we are proud of this place. This is the heart and soul of Skid Pro Attachments. And our vision and our goal has been the same since we started. Better products, better service, happier customers.